maleta. Okay ka na dyan? Hindi, masaya ako ngayon kasi kaninang umaga malungkot ako nung nagising ako alas 3, umuulan. Nagdasal na lang ako sabi ko, Lord, bigay mo na sa amin yung araw na to. Tapos pumasok yung coordinator. Huwag ka may stress kasi ganun talaga. Tapos nakita ko sila, kapatid ko yung mga groomsmen na nakaayos na. Parang lumakas yung loob ko. Nakala ko nag-iisa lang ako pero nandiyan sila. Kaya medyo sumaya ako na kanina. Ngayong araw masaya na ako. Kasi may araw na din. Thank you, Lord! Napasyo pa! Ribs, my ultimate boss. I want to start my vow by saying happy anniversary. Salamat at tutuparin mo na ang pangarap kong pakasalan ka. Naks, haba ng hair!
I made a promise to hold you forever by the hand, and that I would never let go. So don't worry, here I'll stand to remind you like the first time. I will always love you more than yesterday, and no matter what I made a promise.
Noong una kitang makita, makausap at makasama, lahat ng yun hindi ko maalala.
So don't worry, here I'll stand to remind you like the first time. I will always love you more than yesterday.
Pero yan talaga yung nagustuhan ko sa'yo, boss. Kilala mo si Lord, mahal mo si Lord. Kahit mukhang hindi ka nagdadasal. At ayan, boss. Congrats. Sabi mo nga kanina, natupad na ang pangarap mo. Ang pakasalan mo.
I got and I'm feeling so fine. I mean, look at this life, it's what's I got sun in the sky, and I'm feeling so high. I mean, look at this life I'm living. Got the recipe, living like sweet tea. I got what you need, living like sweet tea. Like honey, honey, like honey, yeah. So, so, so sweet. Like honey, honey, like honey, honey. S-W-W-T. S-W-W-T. Ooh, never get enough. Fill your cup, that's the stuff. Fill your cup. Yeah.
There was one day, out of the blue, you asked me, Boss, nag-slow mo ba ako sa paningin mo? Sabi ko, bakit ganyan yung tanong mo? Pinaliwanag mo, sa family namin, kapag nag-slow mo yung babae sa boyfriend nila, nagiging mag-asawa sila. Nung narinig ko yun, bigla akong tumahimik. Then sabi ko, hindi totoo yan. Walang ganun. Pero, deep inside, boss, I was shocked and amazed at the same time. How ironic. Dahil hanggang ngayon, I can still vividly remember kung paano ka nag-slow mo sa paningin ko.
When you love someone but it goes to waste, could it be worse? Lies will guide you home and ignite to fix you.
Kaya humingi ako ng 2 signs. Unang sign, yayayain mo akong magdasal.
And high up above or down below.
Pangalawang sign,
When you're doing love,
bibigyan mo ako ng Bible. Hindi ako makapaniwala kasi parang narinig mo talaga yung prayer ko. Yung dala na Bible bearer natin ngayon, yun yung gift mo sa akin. Sabi ko kay Lord, ang bilis niyo naman kausap. Ito na palagad yung forever ko.
Ribs, thank you for accepting my family and for loving them the way I do. I promise that I will take care of you. We will take our vitamins. I will count our calories intake. My respect is yours forever, boss. And I will treasure you until the end of my life.
tears stream down your face. When you lose something you cannot replace. Tears stream down your face and tears stream down your face. I promise. Tears stream down your face and
Ipinapangako ko na mamahalin kita ng totoo, buo, at araw-araw. Hindi perfect, pero laging present. Hindi laging magaling, pero laging sa'yo. Hindi lang pangarap mo ang natupad, kundi pangarap ko rin.
To fix you.